In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 amazing AI tools available for students right now. If you are a student wanting to increase your productivity and make the most of your college experience, watch this video to learn how these AI tools can help you save time and ultimately help you with your assignments. AI is a rapidly growing field of technology that is transforming how we work with computers. It enables computers to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even automate tasks. As a student, you can use AI to make your life simpler and to stay on top of your study. But I want to be clear before we begin. I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I am sharing them with you because I think they could be helpful to you. Number 1 in the list is Otter. Otter.ai. It is the simplest tool of the list because we are leaving the best for last, but it is still an amazing tool. Otter is a powerful AI-based transcription app that transcribes audio and video recordings in real time, with editing and organizing capabilities. Otter is ideal for students, providing automated lecture notes, slide capture, automated summary, and much more. If you need to transcribe a lecture or an interview, Otter is the perfect tool for you. It will help you record audio and transcribe it in real time, write notes, capture slides, and generate summaries. The second AI tool in the list is Grammarly. Grammarly.com. This AI-powered writing assistant offers real-time grammar and spell check, as well as writing suggestions and plagiarism detection. Grammarly also supports multiple platforms, making it easier for students to stay on top of their writing. With Grammarly, students can ensure their writing is accurate and their content is original. Coming in at number 3 is Trinka. Trinka.ai. Trinka is an AI-powered writing tool that assists you in refining the style and tone of your writing. With Trinka, you can check your grammar and spelling in real time and receive personalized feedback to meet your writing goals. Trinka is similar to Grammarly, but is specifically designed for academic and technical writing. It can spot more than 3,000 complex grammar mistakes, enhance your writing for vocabulary, syntax, and tone, and recommend corrections relevant to various subjects. Tome is the fourth tool on our list, beta.tome.app. Tome is a cutting-edge AI tool for crafting stories from scratch. It is an ideal solution for users who need to construct entire slide presentations quickly for any project. The end product is impressive and is also highly efficient and creative. With Tome, you don't have to worry about piecing together presentations from the ground up. Features like drag and drop, responsive pages, one-click themes, web embedding, and native video recording make it a great choice. With Tome, you will have a stunning presentation in no time. Fifth in our list is Writer. Writer.me. Writer is an AI-powered writing assistant that assists you in producing content rapidly and effectively. Writer has a number of features that make it an invaluable tool for students, such as content generation for different formats, including blog posts, social media posts, and emails. It also has AI-generated suggestions for improving your writing, providing you with personalized feedback on your writing. In addition, Writer includes personalized templates for different types of content, so you can easily create content in the format you need. All these features make Writer an excellent AI tool for students. If you are enjoying this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Sixth on the list is Jasper. Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI-powered writing assistant that gives users real-time feedback and recommendations to help them bolster their writing skills. It is especially helpful for students who need to write academic papers, essays, and other written assignments. Jasper offers a range of features such as analyzing the structure, grammar, and tone of your text, as well as plagiarism detection, citation help, language translation, and document organization. Number 7 in the list is Genie. Genie.io. Genie is an AI-powered research tool that helps you find and organize information more efficiently. It uses advanced algorithms to provide personalized search and recommendations based on your research goals and context. With Genie, you can quickly summarize and categorize research materials and integrate them with various platforms and tools. It also provides a powerful annotation feature that helps you highlight the key points and add comments for future reference. Scholarcy is number 8 in our list. Scholarcy.com. Scholarcy is an AI-powered research tool created to help students and researchers with academic writing and literature review. Scholarcy makes it easier to read and understand scientific papers, generate summaries, and uncover important information. It features paper summarization, reference management, document conversion, highlighting and annotating, concept extraction, and research discovery. With Scholarcy, you can boost your productivity and make the most out of your research. Number 9 in the list is Cite. Cite.ai. Cite is an AI-powered research tool that makes it easier for you to evaluate the accuracy and relevance of scientific papers and articles. Its key feature includes AI-based analysis of research material, tailored recommendations for related research, and integration with various research databases and platforms. With Cite, you can save time and energy in finding the right research material by utilizing its AI-powered analysis of papers, personalized recommendations, and integrations with multiple sources. It also provides an easy-to-use user interface, automated citation tracking, and support for multiple languages, making it the perfect research tool for any student. And the last tool in the list is QuickBoot. QuickBoot.com. QuickBoot is a sophisticated AI-powered writing assistant that enables you to rephrase and rewrite sentences and paragraphs quickly and accurately. With QuickBoot, you can restructure your sentences and paragraphs in real time, get AI-generated suggestions to help you improve your writing, and make use of its integration with various writing platforms and tools. Moreover, QuickBoot's advanced algorithms are designed to understand natural language and provide you with accurate and reliable paraphrasing. So that is our list of the top 10 AI tools available for students right now. And I'm currently working in creating a more extensive list of tools that students could use to increase their productivity. And we'll be posting more videos as soon as the tools are made available. But for now, I want to know which one are you most excited to use? Do you have any comments or suggestions? Please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And also check the rest of the videos we have created to help students during their learning journey.